What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to be bringing you a quick review on this Retrax retractable tonneau cover. Now, the one we have here is installed on our 2019 F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed, so that's going to be kind of my reference point, but the covers are very similar between F-150, Super Duty, and Ranger, and then obviously they make different bed sizes to meet all of those. So right off the bat, the Retrax tonneau cover is one of the nicer, higher-end retractable tonneaus on the market, and we've been pretty impressed just with the general build quality, construction, and the way it mounts to the vehicle. It has these aluminum side rails that clamp to the bed rails for your truck, and then the box that holds the retracted tonneau sits towards the front of the bed up against the cab. And this gives you a good factory look where it sits very low profile to the actual bed of the vehicle without sticking up or obscuring it. And then when you close the tonneau or open it, it's retracting in and out of that box, which means that you don't have a panel folded up against your back window, or you don't have to completely pull the tonneau out of the vehicle just to use your bed like a pickup. It's also worth noting that the retractable tonneau section, that's this textured black finish, looks very nice and factory on the vehicle, so it definitely doesn't draw your eye away from anything else or looks like just an aftermarket mod that was cheaply thrown into the back of our truck. Functionality is really good on this tonneau, with both keeping it closed in off-road and on-road conditions. Sometimes these retractable tonneaus have a tendency to wiggle and shake open, and then they'll slide back partially, exposing whatever cargo you have underneath. But with this Retrax one, we didn't have a lot of trouble getting it adjusted, and it seems to stay closed no matter what condition we put it through. So we've been very happy with the performance as well. Now, while there is a lot of good about this Retrax tonneau, there are a few drawbacks. One of the first ones is that it is extremely expensive, and there's a lot of tonneau cover options on the market that can provide pretty similar coverage and protection for your vehicle at a lower price point. So while this is a nicely built tonneau that has good functionality, it could also be replaced by cheaper tonneaus that still operate in a very similar fashion. With that, another major drawback of retractable tonneau covers like this is that they do take up quite a bit of bed space because of the box you have to have sitting up against your cab. So with a shorter truck like this that has a 5.5 foot bed, you're already losing about a foot of bed space just from that box being in there. So even when you have it fully retracted and open, you do have a pickup bed, but it's gotten significantly shorter. So in trucks that have longer beds that are 6.5 feet or larger, this is going to be less of an issue because you will have that extra bed space. But if you are the type of person that hauls quads or dirt bikes or a lot of lumber and things like that, it may become an issue down the road as you start to lose that foot. So all in all, even after weighing all the pros and cons, we do really like the Retrax tonneau, and it is a pretty good option if you're looking for a retractable system for your truck. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of these kits, head down that description below and click the links to shoot you over to our website. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.